Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Cursor AI on your Windows or Mac computer. If you're a beginner and want to start using this AI-powered code editor, just follow this guide step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the official Cursor AI website. Click the download button and choose the version that matches your operating system, such as Windows or Mac OS. Wait for the installer to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. If Windows asks for permission, click yes to continue. The installation wizard will appear. Follow the on-screen instructions by clicking next or install **. The installation usually takes only a minute or two, depending on your computer. After the installation finishes, click Finish or launch Cursor to open the application. The first time you launch Cursor AI, you may be asked to sign in or create an account. You can continue with your Google account, GitHub account, or email address. After signing in, Cursor AI may ask whether you want to import your settings from Visual Studio Code. If you already use VS Code, importing your settings can save time because your themes, extensions, and shortcuts can be copied automatically. If you're new, simply skip this step. Now you'll see the main Cursor AI interface. Before creating projects, it's a good idea to check for updates by opening the Settings menu and installing any available updates. This ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes. That's it. You have successfully installed Cursor AI on your computer and it's ready to use. In the next video, I'll show you how to download Cursor AI the correct way and explain